additive manufacturing has arrived in industrial production. Modern 3D printers enable stable and individual print parts in large quantities. Rapid Shape offers a cost-effective serial production of thousands of parts daily. This makes possible the modular concept of up to 5 devices connected to each other. The RS inline is not a large and rigid unit. Each machine used is an i100 Plus connected to a production line. Modern software controls the RS inline almost by itself. A scale shows the print progress in real time. The refilling of resin occurs automatically. The open system makes any application possible. The building area offers space for printing both small and large parts. When it comes to speed, force feedback technology is key. This allows the 3D printer to move quickly, yet force-controlled and safely. The unique separation unit enables continuous production. No additional manpower is required. After detaching, the print job is transported to post-process. Finished print jobs are picked up at the right moment. The RS Inline is a 24/7 production unit with an industrial projection system and internal cooling. The cleaning of the printed parts is carried out using centrifugal force. Residual resin can be reused. The RS Inline catapults the efficiency of your 3D printing into a completely new dimension. Print parts in large quantities can be easily created by yourself. Additive series production means automation, productivity, quality, and safety. Means tomorrow's technology. You can be part of it today.